Hello, little brain. I am Piklu the Parrot. It's a bright and happy day. Let's say hello together.
Hello, hello, it's time to play. Let's say hello to start the day. Mama says hello, Papa says hello. Wave your hands and say it slow. Hello, hello, it's a brand new day.
Now wave your hand like this and say hello to your mom. Little brains, did you give Mom a big wave and say hello? Did you do it? Great! Wave your hand like this and say hello to Papa. When you wave, you say, I am here! And your brain says, let's connect. So let's wave our hand and say hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to play. Let's say hello to start the day. Mama says hello, Papa says hello. Wave your hands and say it slow. Hello, hello, it's a brand new day. Boop, 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 boo. Boop, 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 boo. Boop, 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 boo. Da, boop, boop, boo, boo, boo. Listen close, listen clear. Piklu sounds are coming near. Big and small for you to hear. Let's explore each happy sound, my dear.
Hello, little friend. Piklu is here. Today, we listen to sounds. Are you ready? Listen, what sound is this? Can you guess? It's a bell! Ding, ding! The bell goes ding!
Ding, 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 what a lovely ring. Little bell is singing, hear it happily zing. Ding, 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 let the sound begin. Bell goes ding, 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 again and again.
Superb, little brains. Can you guess? What sound is this? Moo! It's a cow. The cow says moo! Ooh, let's hear another sound. Quack, quack. The duck says quack.
Moo, 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 and quack, quack, quack. Animal sounds come bouncing back. Hear them once and hear them twice. Funny sounds that feel so nice.
Now music time. What's this sound? Ting, ting, ting. That's a piano.
Ting, 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 and boom, boom, boom. Music dancing in the room. Soft and loud and in between. Happy sounds that can be seen.
Excellent, friends. You listened so well today. Listen close. Listen clear. Beautiful sounds are everywhere. So, friends, keep listening and keep learning. Until then, bye-bye.
Boop, 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 boo. Boop, 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 boo. Boop, 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 boo. Da, boo. colors be your guide.
Oh wow, look at this color. What color is this? Can you guess? This is red. Red like an apple. Crunchy red apple. And red like a tomato. I love tomato.
Red, red, bright and bold. Red is warm and never cold. Red we see and red we say. Red is fun in every way.
Super friends! Let's learn the new color. Now look, a new color. And this is blue. Wow! I have a blue car. Blue like the sky. Can you see the sky? Is it blue? Blue like blueberries. Friends, do you like blueberries?
Blue, blue, cool and slow, like the sky and water flow. Blue is calm and blue is true. Wave hello to lovely blue.
Excellent, friends. Let's move to the next color. Yay! Look at this happy color. This is yellow. Wow! Yellow like the sun. Shiny, shiny yellow sun. Yellow like a banana. Friends, can you say yellow?
Yellow, yellow shines so bright. Happy color full of light. Yellow makes us feel so glad. Best bright color we have had.
Friends, let's take yellow color. And now add blue color. Now mix. Mix and mix. Mix well. Mix, mix, mix. See the color mixing magic. We got the new color, and it is a green color.
Mix, mix, what do we see? Colors change so magically. Yellow and blue make something new. Green fun for me and you.
You did amazing today. You looked and you learned. Piklu is so proud of you. See you next time. Until then, bye-bye.
Colors fade, the day is through. Piklu waves goodbye to you. Thank you, brain, for learning today. See you soon, hip hip hooray.
Hello, little friends. Piklu is here to play again. Today, we touch and feel. Are you ready?
Touch and feel, soft and slow. Little hands are set to go. Smooth or bumpy, let us see what would feel like. Come with me.
Oh, this is soft. Soft feels nice and gentle. Do you have soft pillow? Can you rub your hands softly?
Soft, soft, gentle and light. Feels so cozy, feels just right. Rub your hands nice and slow. Soft is something kind, we know.
Tap, tap. This is hard. Hard feels strong and firm. Can you tap your hands together?
Hard, hard, tap, tap, tap. Strong and steady, clap, clap, clap. Not too soft, not too slow. Hard is something tough, we know.
Wow, this feels smooth. Smooth feels slippery and nice. Can you slide your hand like this and feel the smoothness?
Smooth, smooth, slide along. Silky feeling, not too strong. Left to right and nice and slow. Smooth is something fun to know.
Oh, Oh, this feels bumpy. Bumpy goes bump, bump, and bump. Do you notice the bumps on this ball?
Bumpy, bumpy, up and down. Little bumps all jump around. Tap, 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 and feel the play. Bumpy feels a special way.
You did a great job today. You felt soft, hard, smooth, and bumpy.
Touch and feel, you did so well. Little hands have much to tell. Piklu's proud of you today. See you soon, bye bye, hooray.